All right, so I'm on 226 milligrams of caffeine. I'm going to the gym. Let's go to the gym. So let's go, come on. Right after the gym, it's a bike ride. See my uncle. I gotta go see my uncle. Ryan!
B-roll. I want that B-roll. I want that B-roll. It's a beautiful day. We're riding. I'm feeling good. So positive.
Don't forget about Monday, can we?
What's up?
Monday.
All right, I have successfully made it to Ryan. Ryan, say hi to the people that love you.
Hi.
Ready? Hi. Who's waxing you?
Mitra.
Who didn't do your brows?
Beach?
Who?
Mitra.
Beat you didn't do your brows right?
She will do it.
Okay, who messed your brows up?
Wendy did. I'm never going to her anymore. Never going to her anymore.
Let me see your brows. I got you. I got you. Napkin, bro. What is that?
That's my Eminem.
All right, we saw my uncle for lunch, which is fantastic. I'm gonna have to take a break here in a second. I've been riding now for about 10 hours, probably about 24 hours. Gotta take a break sometime. Ah, my butt. Ah. It was a good break. Here we are, at one of my favorite spots, my secret spots. That's secret. Shoot. Ooh. It's the last part of the journey, I'm sure of it. Something's gotta be on the other side. Oh, that's a hard turn. That's a hard turn. That's a hard turn. That's a hard turn. All right, I did it. Greatest of all fucking time. Space Needle. My dreams and hopes lost. Oh, there they are. And another one. Now to go do nothing. And it all started